Hey everyone, Dr. Lee Brown here. Wanted to share a really fun case with all of you from one of our longtime patients, actually a longtime family friend. And you can see from some of the pictures that we started with, they had been battling with some wearing and some chipping on their teeth over time. And as someone who works really hard, doesn't dedicate a lot of time for themselves, sometimes things kind of get out of hand, right? You get off the rails, and all of a sudden you look up and there's been some damage. It's a common conversation that we have with patients. But with the proper planning, with partnering with the right labs, we were able to come up with a game plan, create the blueprint, and as you can see from the final pictures, create an incredible outcome that's stronger, which is why we talked about this because of the chipping and wearing, but also beautiful, more aesthetic, prouder to smile, which is what we're after. When someone's confidence and their health increase together, it's incredible how that kind of is a rising tide. And afterwards, to hear her say that she was so happy and just wish she would have done it sooner, it's just more inspiration to try to help as many patients as possible. So if you have any questions or you think we can help someone that you know or care about, we're excited to help. Hit us up, and we'll see you next time.